watching another video. Taking the jet out. This car will never get old. What day is it? Let me see. It is day 6 of Vlogmas. About 1 week without missing an upload. I'm proud of myself, bro. I haven't daily vlogged in a long time, but we back at it, and it's very tiring. I'm a little burnt out already, and we're only 1 week in, but we're almost there. We got like 19 more videos to go. I appreciate all the love and support in the past couple videos. Like I said, I have putting that work in, trying to vlog every single day for you guys. Today, I don't even have plans, but the thing about Vlogmas is I gotta post every day, so I'm gonna try to come up with some content. I don't know what we're gonna get into. Right now, I actually have to run some errands. I gotta go to AAA right now. Gotta get a new international driver's license because we are going to Japan again in about a month, maybe less than a month now. We're gonna be in Japan for Tokyo Auto Salon. Super excited. The content out there is insane. The cars are insane. I cannot wait, bro. I'm so excited. But my driver's license expires and I'm renting another car when I go out there. I'm not gonna tell you what car we're renting out there, but it's gonna be sick. It's a JDM, of course, and we're gonna drive it all around Tokyo. It's gonna be such a vibe. But I gotta get an international driver's permit. If you guys didn't know, you need one of these to drive a car in other countries, and it's super easy to get. It's like you go to AAA or DMV and it's 20 bucks. That's all you need. Look, $20 fee. It's this little paper. That's all you need. You don't take a driver's test, nothing. Take a photo and they give it to you. Which I don't know how that's safe because, bro, when I was in Japan, I'm not gonna lie, it was sketchy. Like driving on those streets, right-hand drive, on the right-hand side of the road too, it is scary. I feel like they should definitely give you like a driver's test in different countries too. And then you're driving a JDM car that's not yours, super sketch. Looks like a mug shot. Also, while we're in Japan, I kind of want to go car shopping. I tried to do it last year, but we kind of ran out of time. But this time, I definitely want to go to a dealership, check out some cars. And who knows, if I find like a really clean JDM car and I fall in love with it at first sight, I might just buy it and figure out the whole shipping it back over here, importing it. I don't even know that whole process, but I think it'll be a really cool process and journey to film. And just a bucket list, you know, buying a car from Japan and shipping it over here. I feel like it's every car guy's dream. I mean, watching Fast and the Furious growing up, Tokyo Drift, it would be unreal, bro. So I definitely want to do that one day. Car straight from the motherland. Also, everybody's going. I think David's going. My boy Sierra's coming. Josephine, of course. My homie Juan, his girl's coming. Mark's coming. I'm pretty sure Chris Borges is coming with his girl. Derek's coming. That man Derek on YouTube, he's coming with his girl. There's a lot of people going to Japan this year. The content's gonna be crazy. It freaking smells, dude. I gotta get out of this parking garage. This car stinks so bad. We're driving the most non-Japan car today, actually. Nah, actually, I got JDM wheels. JDM wheels on the Vette. Also, I don't know why the check engine light keeps coming on. I cleared it once, came on again. The guys who tuned the car, they were telling me that it could just be because of the aggressive cam, and they just gotta coat it out. This cam is very aggressive. This car is kind of like right next to my R8 with my favorites in the fleet. I think I like them equally as much, which sounds crazy. The R8 is literally like 3 times this price. And it's twin turbo. The twin turbo kit alone costs as much as this car. But I just love this thing. Like, it's so much fun to drive. All right, it took like 30 minutes, but we got a new one. Now we're, now we're legal to drive in Japan. Too bad we can't bring this thing. Imagine Xavier Wolf last year shipped his 240 out there, S13, S14, I forgot what he had. But he shipped it from LA to Japan to drive it out there. That is commitment, bro. It would be so fun though to bring this thing, imagine, because the Vette out there would be so rare. Like, I'm pretty sure there's maybe a handful of Corvettes out there, and they're probably worth so much money because you got to import this over there. There was Mustangs and there was like Camaros out there, and I even saw a Hellcat, and they were like, bro, these cars are like the rarest of the rare over there. Which sounds crazy, but it makes sense, you know? You got to import it to Japan. Anyways, we're legal now and we can drive. Also in Dubai, I think that's originally why I got it, because we were going to Dubai and I wanted to rent the Lambo. How crazy. I've been to Dubai, I've been to Japan, I've been to Germany, Italy, Greece. I've been to a lot of places. This is my new photo look. I look so stupid. I think Chris Borges is gonna be in town later tonight. I think maybe give him a ride in the R8. Check out what's behind me. There's no way. It's a red Vette C7. What's up, brother? I wonder what he thinks about my car. It's like an older guy. Like, just hearing it chop like this, he's probably like, what the? Look how much it shakes. I was telling Kevin the other day that when I drive this car, I get exhausted. Like, it burns you out because of the cam, the noise, the clutch, it's a little bit more difficult to drive on the daily because the cam is so big. Like you got to give it gas or the car will literally die out. So dealing with that, the movement of the cam, it's just a lot going on. The smell, the fumes, bro, that shit makes your head hurt. It's a lot to drive this car. Hell yeah, brother! To vlog and drive manual at the same time, it's pretty hard. Alright, it's been some time. We're back in the vet and Chris is finally here in LA, all the way from San Diego. I'm about to meet him right here at the gas station, get his reaction to the vet. He's driven this car before, but it was fully stock. Like literally, actually not fully stock. It had headers on it, that's it. So he hasn't heard it this loud or he hasn't seen a cam, but he also has a cam vet too himself, so I wish he brought it. I see he brought the F80, but I want to compare our vets together one day. Man, he got new wheels though. Sheesh. No way he put the Meisters on the freaking F80. I was gonna bring my R8 to show him, but I think I'm gonna save it for tomorrow because right now my R8's all clean.
Brought the vet, bro.
I know, I was gonna bring the R8, but is yours this loud?
Yeah, low-key.
Same thing?
Yeah.
Bro, we gotta compare them one day. It's so loud. Bro, the F80 looks good with those wheels. Damn, that is hella close.
Like super tight.
Bro, how does that even work, bro?
Stuff, bro.
That's insane, dude. Yeah, that's crazy. And it's static, bro. There's no bags. But this girl's probably like, what the heck? Normal people, they hear and they're like, what's wrong with this guy's car, dude? Like, sounds ridiculous. But anyways, Chris pulled up. He got the F80 all the way from San Diego. Gotta go grab some food and I don't know what else we're gonna do. But he's out here. Chris makes me miss my F80. I literally don't even remember the last time I drove my car. When was it? I think it was SEMA, huh? SEMA was the last time I drove my F80. It's already been a while. That one looks so good though, sand black. Part of me wants to sand black my whole fleet still, guys. Is it a bit loud or what?
Bro, that shit is crazy.
It's crazy, huh?
Like, you want it louder, bro?
A little bit, yeah. It's not loud enough, bro. It's loud, but I want it like obnoxious.
Oh, it's pretty obnoxious, bro. Actually, was shooting flames too.
It did?
Yeah.
I haven't seen the flames from the outside. I want to see. And look, the homie pulled up in a pink BRZ or FRS?
Oh, BRZ.
BRZ?
Same shit.
Same thing?
Same
With TEs? All over you. You don't have one no more, huh?
I know, I'm FRS list.
It's weird seeing you with only BMWs.
I know. Hey, would you
Oh, look,
get one,
Kevin.
Nick? Would you get one?
I want one still, bro. Like, I've been telling Chris, I still want one, bro.
Even after all like G80s, R80s.
I still want one. I think it's cool because there's so much to do to them, bro. You know, like so many different mods and body kits, and I don't even know what I would do, to be honest.
It feels like a vet low-key, but just slow.
Slow? It's really slow, though. I've driven one before.
Really slow.
Bro, it's so cold. I'm about to warm my hands up right here. Hell no. What's up, G? Did we take long?
Are you sick?
No, I'm not sick no more. Did I take long?
Yeah.
For real?
Here for like 40 minutes.
No way it's been 40 minutes. No way it's been that long.
I
Damn.
know, I've seen it.
Eating good
Never
today. Oh, G? Bro, the power went out. What the?
No way. Free food.
We're eating in the dark, bro. It's kind of just like our tables, too. Dang, sick ass food. What's up, G? I couldn't tell if your window was up or down.
Cold, bro.
You ready to wake up tomorrow?
No. Hey, can I sleep with you?
No. Guys, we gotta wake up at like 5 a.m. tomorrow for a car meet. Don't even know why we're gonna do it, but whatever. It should be good content. That's the only reason why I'm going. And because it's Vlogmas, so I probably wouldn't go. I have to vlog. But yeah, we have to wake up in literally 5 hours. This has to be top 5 best sounding cars. Come on. SVJ is up there too, but bro, the cam V8 sounds so good. Like it just sounds like a beast, bro. And everybody looks. I think there's a cop behind Kevin. I think. He just got behind him. Kevin probably has no plates on the car. And I closed my valves quick when I saw the headlights. Let's see, I bet you he's gonna pull him over. Every time Kevin switches a lane, he follows him. It has to be a cop. All right, he's right here now. Is it a cop? It is, bro. It was a CHP. Following Kevin the whole time, bro. No way. How does Kevin keep getting away with no plates? Like, he was literally following him. He followed him for at least 10 minutes. There's no way that cop was following you that long.
The whole time, the whole fucking time.
Were you scared?
I mean, I already knew it was coming, like, whether he pulled me over or not, I knew it was, like, I was waiting for it.
Kevin was so scared.
Bro, I was scared too. I was scared for him. And he has no plates on.
Right when we merged on the freeway, I looked to my far left, I'm like, bro, those lights look so
They look
familiar.
like a cop. I
was
knew
like,
it.
I bet you anything it's a cop, and yep, I knew it.
Is it funny how us car guys know how a cop looks? The headlights.
Yeah.
But I swear, if I had no plate on, I would have got pulled over, bro. 100%. I don't know how Kevin gets away with that. My G got lucky. He never rocks plates on any of his car. The Raptor, his big old Bronco, he's never put plates on it since owning it. How crazy is that? Kevin was full throttle. Bro, that car does not go anywhere, bro. Yeah, this is the squad tonight. We had no plans today, but we got some dinner and going on a little cruise with the boys now. What the? There's an R33. You just hopped on the freeway. No way. That's hella clean. What's up, bro? Gas food. R33 just randomly pops on the freeway. I need a freaking JDM car, guys. So sick. I think R32 though. 32 or 34. I'm sure he was hyped too. Like, damn, there's a bunch of sick modified cars. Actually, we're stock. What I'm talking about, we're not modified. Ain't no modified cars over here. We're stock, G. Your turn, G. Rev battle. Oh, someone hit their lip. I did too. Fun little drive. Besides the cop following Kevin, that was scary. I was scared for Kevin. Yeah, that was sick too, huh? Random R33. I'm sure he was hyped too, like seeing all of us. Does my car shoot flames?
Hella, bro. You can feel it. Like,
Really?
chest,
Why are we getting ice cream at midnight? What time it is, guys? Keep in mind, we gotta wake up at 5. Still gotta edit too. Damn, what if I miss a day tomorrow, dude? I might miss a day tomorrow, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Kind of sad about that. I'm eating snacks like this at midnight. What else should we do? Some sprinkles?
You know what? I can just...
They're probably so mad at us because they closed in like 8 minutes. Come on, Kevin. Nah, bro, there's no way. Before bed? Also, it's freezing outside. I don't know why we're eating ice cream, dude. We're about to get sick. I don't know why I'm wearing shorts either.
Flavors? Almond?
For you get old people ice cream every time we go, bro.
You just be roasting this for no reason.
Old people music, old
He's
people
just trying to eat
ice
his
cream.
yogurt, bro.
What'd you get?
Vanilla with cheesecake, bro. Mochi.
What'd you get, bro? No, yeah,
Oh my god, all the candy at night? Literally. Bro, Anna's freezing out here. What's wrong with us? They for sure hate us, dude. I saw them cleaning after your mess, G.
Happy, bro.
What mess? I didn't make a mess. Old Deeper flavor? Yeah.
What'd you say, G? I need to tell the vlog that.
What, is that old shit?
Yes, bro, old people
They
shit.
sell jackets that have
like a switch, so it's like heated inside.
What?
And gloves too.
Hell no,
I
really?
think I'm gonna do that, yes.
A heated jacket. Bro, you're old, bro. Guys, you know what's funny? I haven't even chose the E92 color still. I dropped the car off already, as you guys seen. It's at premium. They're unwrapping it. I haven't picked the color. But you know I still haven't picked the color for my E92, Kevin? I told him hold off on the color I chose. Cause I'm indecisive, bro.
Do clear PPF.
Clear?
Clear PPF.
Orange?
Satin PPF.
I might do it this color. Would you be mad or would you be happy if I copied you?
I'd be happy to see it.
What wrap color is this? So I can do the same thing. But I really do need to pick a color and hurry up and tell premium because they're waiting on me to tell them. I just do not know what color to do, bro.
They have the heated jacket.
You gotta prove it. You would wear that?
Yeah, bro, you'll be warm. You'll be warm.
You know what? You need that. You need that for Japan.
Does it look bad though?
No, it's pretty stylish.
You can put our merch on it.
It's pretty stylish.
Frozen black paint. It's not wrapped, guys. Paint all over us with the Meisters. I think these are my homie Sebas's old wheels. I think he had them on his D92 back in the day. And then he got the new snake eye headlights. I really want to do these on my F80. What do you guys think? Even though I don't even drive my freaking F80, but I like the headlights a lot. I feel like it'll definitely make a huge difference on my F80. Like I said earlier, I still want to build one of these. It's one of those cars that I've always wanted to build. Not the fastest car, but I feel like one of the most customizable cars, bro. Like you could do so much to this. A lot of wide body kits for it. If identical wide bodies, a bunch of different bumpers you could get, hoods you could get. Like you could fully customize this freaking car. There's so many mods for these. They're just not that fast. That's the only thing. That's the downside of it. What would be cool is putting one of those engines into one of those. I think Chris wants to do one day. That would be fire. Yep, I think today's a very chill vlog, guys. I have a question. Days like today, when there's not much to film, you know, there's not too much crazy content, no crazy car meets, it's a very chill day. Do you guys still want an upload, or would you rather me just save the footage for the next day? Because right now it's probably a short video, probably a boring video, but if you guys still enjoy it, I'll keep posting it. But to me, I feel like if the video's not good enough, I'd rather just save the footage and combine it with tomorrow's stuff. But then I'm missing a day of Vlogmas. So I don't know, bro. It's hard to make every single day lit, you know what I mean? But I try. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If it was short, I'm sorry. I'll try my best tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna be a long video, trust. Oh, before we end the vlog, real quick update on the Black Friday merch. We're trying to get every order out as fast as we can, along with Vlogmas. You know, I'm trying to vlog every day as well. So please be patient with me. I'm trying my best, but every single order will be out very, very soon. Oh my God. We're scraping, bro. Yeah, all the Black Friday merch should be getting there soon, all right? I'm trying my best. There was a lot of orders, and also this Vlogmas stuff is kicking my butt a little. Yeah. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.